As I have been saying in my videos on the channel, that large language models are not the product. Applications built on top of those large language models are the product and will be the product. And that is already evident from various tools out there. aiPDF is one of those tools, and I can safely say that it is the best tool out there for you to talk with your PDF documents. It's easy, its quality is very high, and I don't have any problems with this tool so far. You can consider it as your own personal assistant who has read your all PDF documents, no matter how big they are, how boring they are, and it is always there to summarize and enable you to have a sort of coffee chat with your PDF documents. In order to use it, all you need to do is to go to their website, which I'll share the link in video's description, and from there you can either paste the URL to your PDF document or you can drag and drop it. Let me drag and drop it. You would also need to sign up with your Google account, so let me do that quickly. So as you can see that this is my Google account. Let me click there, and now I am logged in. Click on drop PDF, and I am going to select one of the PDF from my local system. So what I have done is I have simply selected my PDF, and this is a PDF I'm going to use. This is Oracle database documentation from around maybe 14 years ago for 11G release 2, and it is full of lot of things around Oracle database administrator sort of things. And this is what I'm going to ask it from this document. Okay, anyway, so once you select your document, because I haven't selected any plan yet. So this is the first time. You can go with the free one, which is very playful. You can upload two PDFs. You have you can have 2 weeks save duration. You can ask 550 questions, and the PDF size is 15 meg. Should be good, I guess, for this document. And then you can see dynamic is 120 PDF upload at just $9 per month. Flagship is $19 per month, unlimited. Even that is fairly cheap. You can even go with the yearly one, and with yearly and flagship plus dynamic, you again save a lot. So I would say fairly cheap if it is something you're looking for, then way to go. Anyway, let's go with the free one. Click on start now, and now it is processing your PDF document in the background. There you go. Let's wait for it to come back. Okay, it took a bit of a time, but you can see that it is still uploading. Let's wait for it to finish. And this upload, of course, depends upon your file size plus your internet speed. Upload is done, and it has taken us to the main page where all of our documents should be. So this is our file is after um, upload. You can see that on the top on the left hand side we have our PDF which we have uploaded, and then it is giving you some of the information that there are 228 pages of this, and then you can just by clicking on this downward arrow you can step through the pages, and similarly upward is the first page. Now on the right hand side you have the summary of the document which it has automatically generated, and if I quickly look through it, then I would say it is spot on. This is amazing. 280 pages in a jiffy it has produced a very very well written summary of that document, and then it is telling you there are few of the suggestions or which you can ask from it, and this is also very good. Let me ask it. Maybe I will just ask it this question. I just clicked on it, and then it is producing the answer. Let's see, Arman. Okay, yeah, sounds great. And then look here, it has also given you the pages from where it has extracted this information. So in few seconds, it has gone through the whole 280 documents and produced the answer, which looks pretty spot on to me. Let me ask it one few more questions. I'm asking it, what are the background processes in Oracle instance. Let's see. This is a typical database administrator question because there are various background processes like pmon, spon, ckpt, which take care of lot of stuff in database. So there you go. It has DB writer, yeah, log writer. So it was able to produce two of them, um, but it has missed on few of the others. But that is fine. That is what does pmon background process does. Let's see if it is able to answer that. Okay, you can see that it is okay. Yes, pmon provide instance recovery. That is correct. And then lot of stuff is right, but I'm not sure about the first few lines. Anyway, but you can see that how easy it is to chat with your documents and get the summary out of it. And the interface is amazing. And if you click on documents at the top, it is going to show you all the documents which we have uploaded, such as this one. There you go, our first document, which is the size is 4.5 meg. And then if you click on chats, it is going to load the chats which we have done with the documents. And then this is your subscription. Now you can see here that how many questions we already have asked, which is three. And then our out of our quota of two, we just have done one. Good stuff. And you can manage your subscription. You can upgrade it and do whatever you want, and then log out from here. So very fine tool, I would say. And of course, it is these are still very early days, so I expect it to improve a lot in this field. Now, they also are very big on data security. So if you're worried about security, then um, they say that their website and the way they store data is as secure as Fort Knox. And they, according to them, that they treat the documents like top secret file, and only the customers have the key to the data vault. And then whatever information you upload, it is always yours. Even they cannot see it. And of course, you have full control over your documents. You can delete them from their database anytime. Now, this is it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you're already using it, please share it, your experience in the comment. And if you are aware of any other good tool, let me know and I will be happy to do a video on it. That's it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.